Hi guys, it's Miss Debbie from the Appomattox Regional Library System coming to you with our latest take-home craft, a handprint broom. First, you want to take your 2 pieces of black paper and lay them on top of each other and let your child trace their hand, or if they're very small, trace it for them, and then either let them cut it out or cut it out for them. And I like to leave the paper together to do this, so I only have to do it once, but you may want to let them do it each one at a time. Next, glue the hands on top of each other with the thumbs both facing out, and then cut out your pumpkin. You can use one pumpkin or use them all to decorate your broom. Next, we're going to go ahead and decorate our broomstick. You can do it however you want to. I decided to go with a patchwork look to mine, but you can really decorate it all one color or do dots or stripes, however you want to decorate your broom. Now, once your broom is done, go ahead and glue the bottom of your broom onto your broomstick and then glue your pumpkin on. You can pick up this craft at any of our locations until we run out.